Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so we can avoid some charges. Then let's enter the Play Store, and you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. You can log in right after entering the Play Store, or you can use the settings. It's completely up to you how you prefer to do it. Simply log in, and now you can tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then go to Manage Apps and Device, and here simply tap on Updates Available. And basically here we've got the list of all updates pending. Usually it will be a little bit longer. In my case, I've got only one update, and now it's basically up to you what you prefer to do. You can either tap on Update All, and your device will simply download all of the updates, or you can go through the list and just tap on Update next to the app that you'd like to update. So this is how it works, and simply tap on Update. Your device will automatically download the update, and it will be also automatically installed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.